all done.
Okay, what are you washing? What did you wash?
Car.
You washed your car? How did you wash it? What did you use? Q-tips? How about you do Mater now? You washed McQueen? You gonna dry him off?
Absolutely.
Yeah, fold it up and dry it off. Did you have soapy water to clean them?
Yes.
And you washed them with a Q-tip? And you have some more Q-tips and another car to wash? Is that fun?
I dry it off.
You dry them off. Good job. Is it all clean? Yeah.
Look it down.
You gonna do McQueen or Mater first? Then you can. Do you want to do Mater first?
Yeah.
Okay. You clean Mater. Get a new Q-tip. Look all soapy. Good job.